Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare mango candy or mango golies. Ingredients for this are mangoes. I have taken peeled cut mangoes 1 bowl. You can take partial ripened mango or full raw mango also. Anything you can take, but don't take totally ripened mango. So I have taken this 1 bowl. For 1 bowl of mango pieces, 3/4 bowl of jaggery. 1:3/4. I have taken 3/4 bowl of jaggery, hing, salt, sugar powder, cumin seeds powder, fried and powdered, pepper powder, chaat masala, ghee. If you have black salt, you can use instead of normal this pink salt. Now we will start the procedure. Now first what we will do, take a mixie and take the mango pieces into the mixie jar. Make it as a fine paste. Now I have pasted the mango pieces into a fine paste. We will transfer this into a pan and cook for a while. Now before adding the pulp of the mango, what we will do, take a half a teaspoon of ghee. Let it get melted. Then add a half a teaspoon of hing to it. This we are going to add for a nice aroma. Now what we will do, we will add the mango pulp to the pan. Keep the flame on a low mode, then add the pulp to it. Add all the pulp to the pan. Now mix the mixture thoroughly. Then we will start adding the other ingredients one by one. First we will add jaggery to it. 3/4 bowl of jaggery. Mix it thoroughly. Now I have mixed both mango pulp and jaggery's mixture thoroughly. For this we are going to add 2 tablespoons of salt, pink salt or black salt. If you don't have both, you can add normal white salt also. One I have, next second one. 2 tablespoons of pink salt. Then 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Then 1 full teaspoon of jeera powder. Then 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. These ingredients you can increase or decrease according to your desire. According to me, this will be the perfect one, moderate one. So now we will mix it thoroughly. Keep on stirring occasionally until it reaches to the thick halwa consistency, so that we can make the candies easily. Keep on stirring. See, the mixture will look like this. Should be cooked. It will easily take 20 minutes to 25 minutes to become thick. So keep on stirring occasionally. Better take non-stick pan so that you don't worry about the burning in the bottom. Keep on occasionally stirring and continue cooking until it reaches the halwa consistency. Now this has reached to halwa consistency, thick halwa consistency. We will switch off the stove and allow it to cool thoroughly. Then we will make candies or golies out of it. Let it cool for at least 1 to 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, the mixture has perfectly cooled and it has become thick also. Next what we will do, take the sugar powder and spread it in a plate. Then apply some ghee on your hands. Very lightly you apply ghee. Then take small portions of it. Apply perfectly. Then take small portions of this mixture. make small balls like this. Then roll this in the sugar powder like this. Keep it aside. Show one more. Apply some ghee on your hands, fingers. Take a small portion of the mixture. Roll it between the fingers like this. Roll it in the sugar powder. Then continue the same thing with all the mixture. Now the mango golis or mango candies are ready. You can store this in a airtight container and use it, especially after meals. It will do the helpful job for the digestion system. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.